So guys, using the float property, we can position elements like image, div or other block level elements to the left or the right of the parent container. And the other contents inside the container will warp around the floating elements like this. On the left side we have our basic code and on the right side we have our output. As you can see, here we have our parent div. Inside the parent div we have our image, this one, then we have our paragraph. As you can see that our image taking the full width here. Let's use the float property for our image. For that, give our image a class name, class equal to double quotation, suppose image01. Then go to the style section, call for the class image01, opening brace, closing brace, give it some space. Now write float clone left semicolon. Now if we save and reload, see now the image is on the left side and the text is flowing around the image. Let's change from left to right, save, reload. Now our image is on the right side. Let's use one more image inside the paragraph, copy, change the class name to 02, go inside the style section again, image 02. Suppose the first image is on the left side and the second one is on the right side. Save, reload. See, it's really that simple. Lastly, sometime we may add extra margin top 200 pixel, reload. See, the image is going out of our container boundary. If you face this kind of problem, then inside the parent container, our parent container name is parent con. So this is our parent container style. Inside we just need to add display clone flow dash root and we are done. Save, reload. See, now the container expanded. So guys, that's how easily we can use float in HTML and CSS. Thank you guys for watching. Have a good day.